Okay, we're doing night work. We're milling the road and cleaning up and everything. I'm flagging right now. There's a myth that these crosswalk buttons don't do anything. I know I saw it in several videos on YouTube, people claiming that they don't do anything. As you can see, that light's red, that one is green, and this intersection works off of sensors. There are sensors buried in the road, and since there's no cars sitting on there, there's nothing to trigger the sensors. Okay, I'm going to prove that this crosswalk does work. Okay, I'll push the button. Immediately that one turns red, and that turns green, and it's got the little man walking right there. And it gives you a little countdown of how long you've got to get across. There's no cars in the cross streets, so it does work. Just wanted to dispel that myth. Thank you for watching.